Hi guys, welcome back to Very Fun Stuff. It's Ruby here, and today I have a special guest named Chloe. So we're gonna be so it's called the blindfolded baking challenge. We're gonna put a blindfold over our eyes, and then one of us is gonna be telling them what we should do for the ingredients. And so that's basically how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video.
She already put the cake mix in. Next, okay, how much you need in there? Let me go check. Oops. There, here, right here. And it says, let's see. Okay, keep going. Oh, okay, stop. Checking. Keep going. I think, yeah.
Where is it?
Oh no, that's good. Okay. Yep, that's good. Good job. Now pour it in. We'll keep.
Okay. This actually feels very weird. Or is it the bowl? Ew. I love licking the bowl after. And we're gonna decorate it, which will be fun.
Yep. I really want to win so I can get that slime.
Yeah, because you're gonna add them together. Okay, I gotta put this top on.
Okay, put the top on.
Where is it?
Keep going side. Yeah. Good.
Okay, so where's the water?
The water. Okay, the water. Oops, let me put this.
I can't see it, but where is it?
Oops.
Is this the water?
No. Water.
Is
Oh,
it-
right
is it-
there. Yeah. Keep going. Reach. Side.
Yeah.
Other side, like you're on it. Just get the handle. Yep. Good job.
So how much? Should I just pour this whole thing in?
Sure. I guess.
Okay, tell me if it overflows.
Or probably theirs. There. Okay.
Is there any more?
Wow, that's a lot. Oh.
I think I
Okay.
should do.
You want to do more?
Yeah, I want to do the whole thing.
Oh, it's really high.
I don't care. I can taste it. It tastes delicious. Okay,
Hey.
so now I need my eggs. Where are my eggs?
Eggs. Okay. Eggs is right in front of you.
So 3 eggs.
3
right?
eggs. I wish I could crack them.
Can.
But yeah, keep going. You can. Oh, that looks. Okay. 1 egg. Done.
Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Ew.
Another egg.
Okay, this is very slippery. It's actually very harder than it thinks. When you think, ew. Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's overflowing. You put too much water in. It's on the table now.
Who cares?
That's okay.
Ew, wait, it's on my shirt.
Ooh.
Ew, I just felt that. Oh my gosh, this is the worst.
Oh.
Oh my gosh, it's so gross.
Oh.
Where's the chocolate chips?
Ooh. Right in front of you. Yep. Good job. Good job. Oh, look at that goodness. It's overflowing. Oh. Ooh, do you want?
Is there any left? Oh my gosh, there's nice. Oh my gosh, it's delicious. Sorry. Now what do I need to do? Stir?
Do you have a stirring thing?
No. But I think I'm done to see what it looks like.
Look at your face.
What did I do?
Yep.
Ew, look at the eggs. Ew.
Oh. I'm so excited for my turn. Okay, that's Ruby's turn.
Ew. But mine tastes delicious. It looks really gross. It like overflowed. But
Yeah, but
delicious.
it's also about the look, isn't it?
Is it?
So Chloe's up, so she already poured her cake mix in. Okay, where's the water?
The water is right here. Strat, just keep on there, you got that.
Okay. Now I'm going to put as much as you did in.
Yeah, you might want to put a little bit more in.
Then you have it, me too.
Then where's it? Okay, here.
The measuring cup is somewhere over there.
Okay, wait. Here?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay, I'll tell you when to stop.
Tell me when.
Stop. Oh my gosh, Chloe.
Sorry. I'm just hungry for some cake. Okay.
Okay, so now you just put the top back in the vegetable oil. Oh my gosh, it just spilled.
So here.
Mm-hmm.
Oops, I can't believe I spilled it.
Cannot get in the filter. Like the little pieces of
Okay. Then what?
So now you need to get the eggs. Right there. Keep on stretching. Right there.
Oh, I love cracking eggs.
Oh my gosh, me too. Sorry for the loud noise in the background. Ew, these are melted. I put these out by accident, dropped these.
It's
and
her
they're melted.
brothers, people. Brothers.
Including Benny.
Yep. The combo.
1 egg, 2 egg, 3 egg, 4 egg. There's only 3 eggs.
Okay. Here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Grabbing a egg.
Okay. Is that it?
Mm-hmm. Wait, how much eggs did you put on?
3. Wherever you are.
Okay, you are good. On food.
Look how much better I am at baking than Ruby. Much, much better.
Well, she had a bigger bowl.
That does not matter. Look at this job, people.
Oh, you forgot to add the chocolate chips. Whatever, just add them in.
Wait, is it still rolling?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Probably forgot to add the chocolate chips, so she's gonna do it now.
I did. Okay, so where?
Okay, right there. Right there. Yeah. Ew, did you see how that went into the egg? More chocolate chips. I want my chocolatey.
Chocolate.
Chocolate chips.
Okay, I think that's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just in case, because I love chocolate.
Now time to unfold.
Bye.
So, here's Mrs. Fisher and my mom.
Hi.
They're going to be judging which one looks better and tastes better.
Okay.
And I think we all know who the first winner is.
Okay, so do you want us to judge the, okay, so I would say
Chloe.
this one looks better.
Thank you. Thank
It
you.
has a smooth finish. Now this one, if it was called a chocolate lava cake and not brownies, this one would win because
Yeah.
it looks like lava. But if you're talking about a brownie cake,
In appearance, then
In
I would have to
appearance.
go. What do you think, Penny? You like that one better? Alright.
It has more icing. I like it.
You like icing, yeah.
It's like
Okay, so should we?
now
one
you
cake
just
is icing.
get a bite of it.
Okay.
Mine first? Or just like...
Oh, wow.
Maybe just very icing.
Okay. Mm.
They probably just taste the same.
they're still warm.
This is delicious. It's not dry. Okay.
This one maybe.
You'll be our third guest judge. Okay, you're a guest judge.
All right. I am going to have to say that I go with Ruby's on the taste.
I think this one is a little bit more moist.
But this was also
This was
delicious.
very, very good. It was just a little bit more dry. So I actually think that means that if Chloe wins for appearance
And
Wait.
Ruby
and
wins
Ruby
for
wins for
taste.
taste,
Then we would give one of the times to Benny and then we would both get 3. Because there's 9 slimes total.
Or 4.
Oh, you mean the prizes?
Yeah. Wait, is there anything else?
So is
There you go. See.
Benny, if you were the tie vote, which one do you think?
She hasn't tried mine yet. He's probably gonna pick Ruby. Yeah.
Give me it.
Wow.
Wow, Benny. You love chocolate, don't you?
What do you think, my friend? Okay, all right.
Hi guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Chloe's not here right now; she had to leave. But so we decided to split the slimes in half. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe.